Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. Goa win the Santosh Trophy for the fifth time, defeat West Bengal in a tiebreaker by 4-2. Panji Municipal Corporation starts lifting garbage, with total lifting not possible without a dumping site. Samiksha Bobe becomes this year's Samrat Sangeet Sitara. Oshalkas oppose housing project Sarpanch Edjans Gram Sabha. And St. Sebastian move ahead in Bandolkar Memorial Football Tournament. Now the news in detail. Goa has returned to the top position in the National Football Championship after 4 years. Celebrating this happiness, Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has announced awards for the players. The 4-2 tie-breaker victory over West Bengal in Sunday's Santosh Trophy final has put the state in a celebration mood. Captain Felix D'Souza and his side played superb football in the entire tournament to come up with the prestigious title.
The football frenzy Goa Janta have congratulated coach Mariano Diaz and his team on his fantastic achievement. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has congratulated the members of Goa football team for winning Santosh Trophy. He has announced special award for the players. This is the fifth time that Goa has won Santosh Trophy by defeating West Bengal.
गोंयान ह्या खेपेक संतोष करंडक फायनली बंगालाचेर जैत मेळयलां आनी ह्या खातीर हांव गोंय पंगडाचें अभिनंदन करता. सगळे प्लेयर्स, कोच, तांचो मॅनेजर आनी इवन गोवा फुटबॉल असोसिएशन तांकां सगळ्यांक परबी दिता की तांच्या सगळ्यांच्या कलेक्टीव एफर्ट्सांतल्यान आज हें बंगालाचेर जैत मेळिल्लें आसा आनी सरकाराच्या वतीन तांकां जें कितें एवॉर्ड्स फावो जातलें ते एवॉर्ड्स सरकार तांकां दितलो.
Goa Football Association is celebrating its golden jubilee this year. Goa's victory has added more colors to the celebration. Secretary of Football Association Savio Masias, who's in Chennai, expressed his happiness over telephone.
On the 50th anniversary, it's a great remembrance for Goa. Second thing is, we have never beaten Bengal in the final of Santosh Trophy. For the last 5 years, last 5 occasions we have lost to Bengal. So beating Bengal is like, an icing on the cake. It's one of the biggest and the greatest achievement of the Goans for the Goans.
SCG Executive Director VM Prabhu Desai shared his joy.
So this win will augur well for Goan football, and we are looking forward to similar performance by the junior and sub-junior team. Mariano Diaz, basically belonging to Sports Authority of Goa, and we are very happy that the coach could do the miracle. He is very simple and humble.
From Panji, our principal correspondent Murari Shetye, senior reporter Rakesh Kanorkar with video journalist Yashwant Parab and Ravindra Darvi.
Panji Municipal Corporation has started lifting the garbage from the capital city from yesterday night. This has reduced the fear of epidemics to a certain extent. Panji Commissioner Melvin Vaz had told the media person last night that the garbage is being lifted. But Mayor Carolina Poe today morning said that it is not possible to lift all the garbage at one time. She also clarified that some garbage would remain lying till a permanent dumping site is found. In the morning, workers were seen lifting garbage at some places. But Panji doctors fear if the garbage is not lifted fully. The heavy rains that has started from last night may worsen the situation.
Panjimites are currently living under a serious threat of epidemic of diseases as Panji Corporation have failed to lift the ever-piling garbage in the city. Corporation is still striving to initiate a concrete solution to the garbage menace. For the last 5 days, dustbins are overflowing with all types of waste. Corporation itself is in a quandary as it has many issues to sort out relating to garbage disposal. People have started raising their voice against this menace. BJP has already demanded transfer of CCP Commissioner Melvin Vaz for his failure to solve the garbage issue. With rainy season problem ahead, Panaji Municipal Corporation will have to act fast and find a permanent solution. Speaking to Prudent Media, Dr. Oscar Ribello said that Panaji city is sitting on a garbage time bomb. He also cautioned the people on the diseases which are likely to spread due to the ever-growing garbage in Panaji.
Diseases can be spread due to garbage which has been lying in Panji now.
And all the communicable diseases virtually, from leptospirosis to dengue to malaria to gastroenteritis to hepatitis to cholera. You can have any number of diseases. It's simple common sense. No, you have so much of garbage lying around. The monsoons are here. It will spread up all over the place. Could infiltrate the groundwater. Could infiltrate everything. I mean, it's just basically a complete time bomb that is just waiting to explode.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Ganesh Otkar for Prudent Media.
Samiksha Bhobe from Mapsa is this year's Samrat Sangeet Sitara. Abhijit Kelkar from Belgaum and Namrata Paradkar from Vasco are the first and second runners-up. The fourth prestigious semi-classical music contest was organized by Samrat Club International.
This year's Samrat Sangeet Sitara contest was with a difference. The organizers also conducted SMS poll in association with Prudent. Altogether, 52 singers participated in this semi-classical contest from Belgaum, Sawantwadi, Panaji, Ponda and Bicholi. The winners were selected from among 10 finalists. Yograj Borkar, Gauri Bhatt and Balkrishna Kelkar were the judges. Renowned singer Ravindra Sathe gave awards to the winners. Samrat Club International President Mahesh Naik, features editor of Prudent Darshan Loliakar and other dignitaries graced the occasion.
सितारा 2009 हाजे पहिले 3 जैतवंत तसोच ओनूचो संगीत सितारा हो मानाचो मुकुट कोणाक फावो जातलो हाजे खातीर 3 बंदिस्त पाकिटां आमचे सम्राट रामा गांवस हांच्या हातांत आसात ते तांणी मुखेल सोयऱ्यां कडेन व्हरून दिवचे एक एक करून आनी तांणी हो आयचो निकाल जाहीर करचो अशें हांव तांचे लागीं मागतां.
क्रमांक 2 सितारा क्रमांक नंबर 2